North Huron, Blyth Fire. Please respond 83314 St. Augustine Line. It's for a combination fire alarm, CO alarm sounding in the residence. Occupant is feeling okay. She will wait outside and there's nothing visible. 83314 St. Augustine Line. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth, please respond 83314 St. Augustine Line. That's between Nile Road and Hawkins Road. Responding there for a combination smoke and CO alarm sounding in the residence. Occupant is feeling okay. She will wait outside and nothing visible. Again, it's 83314 St. Augustine Line, January 29th, 5:34.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Blyth station.
That's Roger, page acknowledged at 5:34.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding, car 3 plus 5 belted.
That's Roger, engine 6 responding, car 3 plus 5 belted at 5:43.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Go ahead. Engine 6, go ahead.
Dispatch, I can't read you, but if you can mark engine 6 on scene. Contact made with the homeowner. Car 3 will be command. Car 3 will be mobile.
Roger, I can copy you. Engine 6 on scene. Contact with homeowner. Car 3 command. Car 3 mobile. It's 5:59.
Command entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1 for command. Completed sweep of main floor. Nothing found at this point. We're heading down to the basement now. Confirm that main floor sweep, 0 readings. Continue to the basement. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark I've got a crew of 2 on air inside. They've done a complete search of the main floor, 0 readings. Continuing to the basement.
That's Roger. You have a crew of 2 in the building on air. Completed a search of the main floor with 0 readings and continuing to the basement. 60721.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show full sweep of the residence complete, 0 readings. We've left a combination alarm with the homeowner, looking to faulty meter as the cause. Engine 6 is clearing scene, returning to Blyth station. Command's being terminated, residents being left with the homeowner.
That's Roger, command. A full sweep was completed, 0 readings. You left alarm with the homeowner, looking to faulty meter as the cause. Engine 6 is clear and returning to Blyth. Command terminated and residents is living left with the homeowner. 63344.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark engine 6 back in Blyth station, back in service. And when you have a minute, you can download that call, please.
Roger, I copy. You're back at hall, back in service. It's 7:11:28. Have a good morning.